welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. I'm Peter Drury, and this is Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. I'm ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
This match marks the beginning of the second half of the campaign. Real Madrid, this frantic spell of games, fixture congestion always brings with it issues around fatigue and injury.
Yeah, and the manager has got to look towards squad rotation now. A bigger part of his job is to keep a freshness and energy about the team.
And the ball's come loose and the chase is on. For throwing. Forward it goes. Real Madrid were imperious when the two sides last met. Fans are asking for more of the same. It was on the back foot. It's one! Strike, quite an alarm. I've just joined us, well, he's missed no goals. Ramos. A chance! Hits one! Danger averted for now. On the right now, what's on? Here's a corner. The defence can get it clear. Loose. Carvajal. He's dealt with that well. Half an hour played now. Forward. Try from here. Clearance and very necessary. Truthfully, it was hard to see any better outcome there. Cristiano Ronaldo goes hurtling down that left-hand side. In comes the delivery. And he's there to hoof it away. Toni Kroos with the ball through. Tries a through ball. We've reached half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.
Well, after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change perhaps after half-time. Here we go again.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone could step up and produce something a little more magical.
And that's a throw-in. Find its target. Toni Kroos takes control of enemies on the move. Still absolutely nothing to report here goals-wise. quick feet. Played into the middle. Firmly met. Very little to report from an attacking perspective. Jim, it's a cagey old game.
Well, I think it's a fair reflection on what we've seen so far. Neither side has produced that many efforts at goals simply because respective defences have been strong.
Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. It'll be a throw-in. Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Bale. Cristiano Ronaldo! Not this time.
And it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Thrust towards the front line. Marcelo. Crossed in. On the volley! In it goes!
Unbelievable. Listen, I've experienced that both for and against, and you won't have to guess which one I prefer.
Perfect timing, perfect connection, and a perfect outcome.
Well, I thought it was very well worked down the right side, but don't underestimate the volley. They can be a difficult skill.
Real Madrid themselves into the lead.
Oh, this is fully deserved for me because they've shown great heart and spirit. It's there to win from here, or dare I say, throw it away now.
Real Madrid need to hold on for a few more moments.
That was very, very close. He was just offside.
Marcelo positions himself well and cuts it out. And that's that. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough.
Yeah, and I think after that solitary second half goal, they did what all good teams do and protected their lead.
So that's it for today. Thank you, Jim, and good afternoon all.